Yeah, hi guys, short video here about this Android Auto device. That's a device which can enable wireless Android Auto for a lot of cars which have this system built in, but not providing wireless access. And of course, wireless is much more convenient, and that's the same thing here with this Kia Sportage. You can see that here I have my Android device and there's no Android Auto to find here. So with this device we can add it easily, and that's quite an advanced system here because not all the Android Auto devices are the same. You can see it's a medium size, not too small, not too large. Of course we want it to be not too large so it fits nicely and doesn't block the whole space down here. But on the other hand, when such devices are too small, they have usually some problems with heat dissipation, and then they can overheat, creating lags. And regarding speed, also a very good thing that we have a very advanced fast CPU built in, supporting latest Bluetooth, dual Wi-Fi and even NFC. That's also one of the big advantages here. By the way, here the accessories instructions manual, but of course we get also a USB cable, and not only one. We can see we get two of them, very important. We have a USB-C to C and we have a USB-A to C, because some of the cars provide Android Auto through USB-C and some provide it through USB-A. As far as I remember, here we have USB-A, so we connect USB-C here on this side anyway, but we connect it to USB-A down here. We plug it in, and now you can see the Android Auto device is flashing blue, and so I guess it's ready to be connected. And so I go close here with my phone supporting NFC, and we get this information here: pair with Bluetooth device. Really nice. Click on yes, and so we get the Bluetooth pairing request here. Of course I have to blur this number, but I don't have to enter anything, don't have to search for the right Bluetooth, just click on pair. Let's see what's going to happen. And we have some information here. It says Android Auto is connected. Go to Android Auto. I can put this on the side already, and so I can swipe to the right side and I see already the Android Auto here. Sometimes it opens automatically. Sometimes you have to search for the icon depending on your car. So I click here, and so I have here automatically all apps which I've installed on my car which are compatible with Android Auto. Even the Kia app, a lot of communication, messaging, weather information, even phone call, these things. And of course I can still use a lot of buttons here from my steering wheel, for example the volume control. And so let's see how fast this works. I click here and you can see it opens automatically. Of course I've moved a little bit my location because of privacy. That's not my location, but just wanted to show you how nice, how fast this works. Of course most people using that for Google Maps, for example for navigation. You can see we have even multi-zoom here, zooming in, zooming out. Of course we have also the buttons, but everything working really nice. Till now I don't see any problems at all, and after using it for a while I don't feel any heat or so. It stays pretty cool. That's amazing. That's exactly what we want. The cooler the device stays, the faster and more reliable usually it works. Yeah, seems to be a really solid device as far as I can see, and the two different USB cables and the very convenient, absolutely hassle-free NFC connection possibility, they are a great plus. So I would say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with exactly this device or any other Android Auto device, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.